Glencoe Hills versus Kathy Ann Haynes
Julian Engen for plaintiff.
and Anthony Haynes.
Hi.
Hello. What's your name?
Kathy Ann Hanks.
All right. Where are we with the balance?
I have a balance in court for July rent of $1,903.61.
Okay. All right. How are you going to get this paid?
I can do 1,500 on next Friday
17th.
and
Okay.
balance by the end of the month if I could.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll find no tribal issue after hearing in this case. Judgment for possession for the 1903-61 with a writ to issue July 31st. All right. So get that one payment that you're going to make on the 17th in, and then you'll have to the end of the month to get everything done. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great weekend. Glencoe Hills versus Miguel Lopez.
Julian Engen for plaintiff.
Oh, Miguel Lopez.
Samuel Lopez.
Lopez, Riche Collins, and Samuel Lopez.
Samuel Lopez.
You're Samuel?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is your motion to set aside the judgment. The judgment was entered for 33/24/27 at the end of June. Do we have what the current balance is?
Yes, I have a current balance including court costs of $4,868.11. I don't see that any payments have been made since May or April.
I'm not sure how this got on because I don't even have a bond posted. What's your basis why you want this stayed or set aside, sir?
I actually just re-signed my lease with them. They told me to work on the balance, but I was about to say I only filed this in the first place because I heard that it could keep like an eviction off your record or something like that.
No.
But I'm not sure at this point because they just had me re-sign my lease like last week or the week before.
Really?
Your Honor, I don't have any knowledge of that, but
Got
I
it.
know that the amount is still owing.
All right, so you better clarify things with your landlord. I'm gonna motion to stay or set aside is denied. The judgment will stand. So you might want to get to your landlord and clarify exactly everything because you still have now this judgment.
Okay.
Okay?
Executing the writ that was
I do not have a writ.
it was okay, maybe it hasn't been processed yet. I think it was just submitted on the 7th or
Okay. Yeah, I don't have it with the file yet.
might be getting.
Okay, very good. Thank you, sir.
This is where things get serious. The defendant says he renewed the lease and believed that could change the situation, but the judge doesn't have confirmation of that agreement in the court file. The motion to set aside the judgment is denied, meaning the existing judgment stays in place. It's a good reminder that verbal agreements can become a major problem when they aren't properly documented.
Glencoe Hills versus Willie Williams.
Julian Engen for plaintiff.
Your name? Willie Williams. All right. Where are we on this case?
Including court costs of $2,408.38.
All right, sir, how were you intending on getting that paid?
Okay, I had completed the state emergency thing. I just got that back today. And I was denied. They have been working with Friends Indeed, also Peace Neighborhood, and also St. Vincent.
Mm-hmm.
And they couldn't really do nothing until I got this. So I'm gonna ask for a little more time until.
Well, here's what I'm willing to do, sir. I'm gonna find no tribal issue after hearing judgment for 240834. All right, that'll be a judgment for possession. I'll extend the date before they can file a writ to the 31st.
Okay.
To tell all of these agencies that may help you
Yes.
that you have till the end of the month to make sure that payment's made.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Thank you.
As Mr. Williams, if you come back to the court, likely that you get a copy from the court of your judgment. It'll also get mailed to you, but it might be helpful so that you can send it on to these agents.
You can actually, if you're gonna do the judgment now, I'll sign it and then we'll make sure the file gets up there. So
Okay.
stop at the front counter, sir, and ask them for a copy of the judgment. They'll have it. Glencoe Hills versus Andrew Jacobson.
Really, you guys are playing for.
Jacobson? No response. You may proceed.
Thank you. This is a case for non-payment of rent. Renter retained possession is $4,748.61. Court costs are $171 for a total of $4,919.61. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that's by default for possession. Redemption amount is in the amount requested with a writ issue in 10 days. Glencoe Oaks versus Ronell Hodges.
Billy name.
Ronell Hodges, not checked in, you may proceed.
Your Honor. Your Honor, this is the case for non-payment of rent. Renter retained possession is $8,993.05. Court costs are $171 for a total of $9,164.05. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession. Redemption amount in the amount requested with a writ to issue in 10 days. Glencoe Oaks versus Patrick and Susan Foreman.
Billy Hagan for plaintiff.
Foreman's. No response, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is the case for non-payment of rent. Rent retained possession is $6,970.42. Court costs are $212 for a total of $7,182.42. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession. Redemption amount is in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days. Gulfside Lake 1 and 2 versus Shatia Brown.
Billy and Hagan for plaintiff. That's very. Hi.
Hello. Your name?
See ya.
All right.
The one you forgot last time.
They have to start out like
You did forget me.
come up. I finally yeah.
Yes.
That's that. Yeah, it was just so she can come at me. All right.
Hey,
All right. What's her current balance? Where
I have a balance including court costs of $1,610.33.
all right. And okay, that makes sense because the last balance, then you made it
yeah,
and
I paid 22.
July red kit.
Mm.
All right.
and I'm moving next week. But I just paid $600 today.
Paid 6 today.
Yes.
Okay, when are you moving?
Next week.
Next week?
Mm-hmm.
If it's
What-
before Friday, I'm happy to adjourn.
Yeah. Are you gonna move before Friday the 17th?
What you mean, Johnny? Like, what we doing?
Like put the case over to next week, and if you've moved out and turned in your keys, then we'll dismiss.
Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
So
Uh,
be out before then and
before Friday?
or Friday. You have next week?
Yeah. And then I ain't got to pay nothing. I ain't gonna have nothing.
That's not true. You
No.
still owe the balance, but they can do a payment plan with you
Okay.
for the balance. And the earlier you move, the less you'll actually owe, because generally they prorate your rent.
Okay,
Based on
so-
your move out date.
Because I only owe like 1,010. So you saying
Right. So then what will happen, but that 1,010
Mhm.
includes all of
the rest of
July.
July? Yeah.
And what she's indicating is that the earlier that you move out, they'll prorate it.
So
So
to go down a little bit.
yeah, it's gonna go down for you.
They are going to add on utilities in arrears, so
I
they,
just don't want no evictions on my stuff.
so if you move out and we dismiss it, then it'll just show, if someone looks it up, that it ended in a dismissal, not a judgment,
Okay, so before.
before Friday. And make sure you turn in your key
Can
in
it
the
be-
office
Oh well, you saying like
So what I will do is,
Friday morning. It's work.
yeah, because I have to take off work. I'm cool with that.
okay, I'll adjourn it out to July 17th. 2 p.m.
But what day?
The 17th at 2 p.m.
Oh, do I gotta come back? I didn't hear you.
I think you're just gonna come back here to just treat me bad.
No.
Okay, no, that's it. I know, I get it. What
Okay.
happens if you move out? They're gonna dismiss it. You turn in your keys and make sure everything's all set. They're gonna dismiss it, so you won't have to come back.
Good. Yes.
Wow,
I'm perfect.
she said that.
I'm,
Don't have to come back. Good.
I'm happy.
Say
Thank
how I saw
you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
it. You're welcome. Have a great weekend.
Thank you so much. What fact?
Mm-hmm. Gulfside Lake.
This might be the biggest turning point here. The judge explains that if she moves out, returns the keys, and everything is properly handled, the case could be dismissed instead of ending in a judgment. But there's one important catch. The money still owed doesn't simply disappear. She can still work out a payment plan with the landlord. Would you take this option if you were in her position?
1 and 2 versus Marcus Bass.
Affiliate meetings for plaintiff.
Hello,
Your name?
Marcus Baskin.
All right. And also Taylor Tex.
She wasn't able to be here with us. She with our children.
Okay. How much is owing?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,666.17.
All right. Looks like we started falling a little bit behind from when we were in June. When can you get that paid off?
I made a payment of I was ordered to pay $750 on or before today. I made that this morning around 7, 8, or 9 a.m.
You made the 750.
Yes.
Okay. Right. And so you're around the 1900. So when can you get that paid?
Roughly within the middle of August, toward the end, we had just got done moving. We just had to move out by the 1st. So that way,
Say that again. You're gonna move?
yeah, we in the process of getting everything out of there already now.
So you'll be moving before, what day are you gonna move?
I did all the lifting and moving already. I had to get them out of there so that way we could, we were moving out in July, but my lady,
So you're no longer in this apartment?
not necessarily, we still wanted to get some cleaning so that way we wouldn't have to leave it on.
No, I got you. But can you get that done by this Friday?
Yeah, yes, definitely.
Then here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this over to the 17th, just like we were talking about with previous defendant. What time is that?
2 p.m.
2 p.m. on the 17th. So just like I was talking about, you go in, turn in your keys, make sure everything's there, all set. 17th, if you're out, keys are in, they'll dismiss this case. You'll still owe what monies there is, but then you can work out a payment plan with the landlord.
Perfectly fine.
Okay?
Sure.
All right, very good. Good luck to you. Crosside Lake 3 versus Kirsten Tidwell.
Julian Egan for plaintiff.
Hello.
How are you?
Name.
Kirsten Tidwell.
Okay. How about you, Zoe?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,940.70.
All right. How are we gonna get that paid?
So when we met virtually on the 29th of June, and I let you know I would be able to make a $600 payment with my check on the 1st of July, I did make that payment. And then I also applied for the state emergency relief fund, but my application was denied. However, I do have a U-Haul truck outside my apartment right now, so I'm on my way to pack and move after I leave here today.
Got it. So you're gonna move out. Okay, so you heard what I told everybody else?
I did.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll adjourn this over to the 17th, 2026 at 2 p.m. Get out of there, make sure the keys are in. What will end up happening is they'll dismiss it.
Okay.
They'll likely prorate what you owe for July, work out a payment plan with them to get it paid back and everything.
Okay.
You all set?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a great weekend.